Hey, readers and writers. Yesterday we learned a little bit, well, on Monday we learned a little bit about the writing process. Remember, that is your pre-writing, your drafting, your revision, your editing, and then finally your publication. We spent some time on Monday in our pre-writing phase. If you're still in that phase today, that's okay. Get that plan done. But if you have an idea in your mind, we are ready to start drafting. So we are going to be drafting all week. So you have until Sunday because that's when assignments close. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday if you need it. But your writing assignment all week is to be drafting. Now remember though, there's no such thing as I'm done until we've run out of time. So even if you say you finished a draft, you're not done with your story because we still have to revise together, edit together, publish together. So although you will finish a draft this week, it is not a final copy. And I can't emphasize that enough. So remember, we are writing a story that is inspired by My Teacher is an Alien. So it's your turn to write. And these are the things we're going to be looking for. So this is what I want you to keep in mind as we are writing. You want to make sure you're engaging your reader by establishing your setting, introducing your characters, and then we have in organizing our events, you've already thought of a problem. Remember, this is the part we focused on yesterday. You want to make sure you're using dialogue, description. You're not moving too quickly. You're not moving too slowly through your events. You want to make sure you are being descriptive with what you're saying. And a lot of these are going to be revision techniques that we go through as well, which is why this isn't going to be our final copy today. It's just a draft. Just a draft all week. No matter what you do to it, it's just a draft all week. We want to make sure you actually end the story. There is no to be continued. There is no ending that says I woke up and it was all a dream. You need a real ending. And then you need to make sure that you communicate the theme of determination because the theme of all of your stories should be determination. So today, it is drafting day. After you watch this video, set a 20-minute timer. When 20 minutes are up, stop for the day. Tomorrow, I would refresh this video. When you watch the video again, set a 20-minute timer, then stop. You're going to do that every day until Friday or Saturday and Sunday if you need it. By the end of the weekend, however, if you work on the weekend, but otherwise Friday, by the end of the week, your draft should be done. So you should have a start to finish story that is ready to start revising next week. Please remember, this week, it's not a final copy. We have many revisions and edits that we're going to be doing over the next 2 weeks after you are drafting. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Let me show you how to get to your story. So we're going to be working in Canvas in a tool called Collaborations. So on your screen, you're going to see it on the left. You should only see Home and Collaborations. When you click on Collaborations, let me get out of student view so you actually can see what it looks like. You are going to see on my screen, I have all students because I am all of your teacher, but you are going to see just your name. You're going to click on this and it'll open up a Google document. This is where you're going to be able to start typing. So just get right on in and start writing that story based on your plan. Google Docs saves automatically, so each day all you have to do is close right out. Now, the first time you log in, it may ask you to give some login credentials. It may ask you to hit a button that says authorize. If it asks you for that, do it. If you don't know how to log in, because it's going to ask you for Google information, go to my homepage, go to Getting Started, go to Important Login Information, and you're going to have to scroll to where you see Google Apps. Here it is. This is your login information for Google Apps. So make sure you use this page to help you log in. Then you can hit authorize if it asks you, and it should open up that Google Doc. So remember, collaborations, look for your name, type in that login information if you need it, hit authorize if you need to, but otherwise you should be good to go and good to start writing. So drafting day, set that 20-minute timer, stop at the end of 20 minutes. You're going to add to it throughout the week. Happy writing.